first time buying an electric pressure cooker, I've got you covered. There are only 4 things you need to know to shortlist the right one for you. First is the right size that you need for your needs. Second, the material of the inner pot. Third, do you need Indian presets or not? We'll talk more about that later. And fourth is the speed of cooking. The size you need to buy should be gauged by how many people you would cook for or how much quantity you will cook. There are 3 main sizes available: a 3 litre, 6 litre and 8 litre. 3 litres cooks up to 600 grams or 5 cups of uncooked rice. 6 litres cooks up to 1.2 kgs or 10 cups of uncooked rice, and 8 litres is 1.6 kgs or 13 cups of uncooked rice. 6 litres is the most popular size of electric pressure cooker and is suitable for up to 6 people. Now, just because the capacity is smaller, don't assume that the size of the electric pressure cooker is half. The 3 litre size is also quite big in size. It's only a little bit smaller in height while about 5 centimeters smaller in width. So if you're going for a 3 litre size just because it is expected to be smaller in size, you will be disappointed. Next is the material of the inner pot. Stainless steel is the most preferred and what most electric pressure cookers have. Non-stick or anodized is the other option available and generally it is not preferred. Only the WonderChef NutriPot has hard anodized inner pot, while all the other electric pressure cookers compared have a stainless steel inner pot, which makes it also dishwasher safe. Next, whether you need Indian presets or not. Some electric pressure cookers like you see on the screen have presets for cooking rice, dal, biryani, pulao, khichdi and many more. So using this one-click setting, you can get started. Definitely a nice to have for a new Instant Pot user. When that is not there, most electric pressure cookers have a temperature and time setting to adjust the cooking settings. Typical Indian presets and non-Indian presets are shown on the screen. One preset that many electric cookers have is the slow cook function, which is typically used in tenderizing hard cuts of meat and allowing different spices to infuse better. In Indian cooking, typically used in making dishes like dum biryani, lamb curry, chicken tikka masala amongst others. So unless you tend to use the Instant Pot in this manner, you can ignore the slow cook function, which some electric cookers do not have. Many of you would have noticed the number 7 in 1, 8 in 1, 9 in 1 and so on published in many electric pressure cookers. This just refers to the number of devices or the activities that the electric pressure cooker replaces. Some even claim to replace a gas stove and a cylinder, which in theory is true. Almost all electric pressure cookers perform the basic functions of pressure cooking, slow cooking, cooking rice, steaming, sauteing, simmering, making soup, yogurt, keeping warm and delaying start. Next is the output wattage, which eventually determines the cooking time. It tells how fast the electric cooker is able to reach and maintain high temperatures. This is not the input wattage, which determines how much power is consumed. Most 6-litre electric pressure cookers have a wattage of around 1000 watts, with the exception of Agaro, which has about 1300 even for its 3 and 8-litre electric pressure cookers. 3-litre cookers have less than 800 watts, while 8 litres have above 1200 watts. Since this is fairly standard across various brands except for Agaro, the difference between electric pressure cookers is fairly limited. Now let's talk about the safety aspects. The adoption of electric pressure cookers is increasing rapidly due to its ease of cooking, which we have already covered, but also because of its safety. All electric pressure cookers come with 7 to 10 levels of safety guards like overheat protection, automatic pressure control, safety lid lock, amongst others. Many brands also have additional BIS certification in India. Lastly, the warranty, service and pricing. Warranty in general is 1 to 2 years across various different brands. We look at service from a product and service satisfaction point of view. Best shows high satisfaction both with the product and service. Can be improved means low satisfaction with either the product or the service. Amongst the electric pressure cookers compared, NutriCook and Instant Pot have the best product and service ratings. 3-litre electric pressure cookers range between 3 to 6,000, 6-litre ones between 5 to 10 and 8-litre ones from Geek and Agaro are in the range of 10,000. Instant Pot, which is the inventor of electric pressure cookers, costs the highest in each of these segments. A number of brands that were available last year are out of stock this year, like the Welspire and the Kuvings electric pressure cookers. So with that, let's get to my recommendations for the best electric pressure cookers in India, now that we understand everything we have to consider when buying an electric pressure cooker. In the 6-litre segment, which is the most popular segment that has the maximum number of electric pressure cookers as well, I have a few recommendations for you. On a budget, I have 2 recommendations. First is the Agaro Imperial electric pressure cooker. It has 14 preset menus and the slow cook function with a stainless steel pot, and therefore it is also dishwasher safe. It does not have Indian presets like biryani, rajma and so on. Agaro also has this in a larger size of 8 liters. With Indian presets, the only one that I recommend is the Usha iChef electric pressure cooker. This has 10 Indian preset menus including rajma, chole, biryani, palav, dal, soup amongst others. The other capabilities remain the same as the other electric pressure cookers. In the value segment, I have two recommendations again. First is the NutriCook SmartPot 2. This is a 1000-watt electric pressure cooker which includes a stainless steel pot, functions of slow cooking, steaming, warming, sauteing amongst others. It has a 2-year warranty included as well, but it does not have Indian presets. But like I've said before, with the time and temperature setting, you can always get to the desired outcome. And lastly, the OG of electric pressure cookers, the Instant Pot Duo. This has 13 preset functions, but no Indian presets, and includes functions like slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sauteing, yogurt making, amongst others. We can also get recipes on the app, although there are minimal Indian recipes. We might as well get the recipes online. Being in the market for over 10 years, this product has minimal product issues reported across various different countries. In the larger size, the 8-liter segment, my recommendation is the Geek RoboCook Nuvo 8-liter electric pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is ideal for large quantity cooking for 6+ people. With a 2-year warranty on the product, this Geek RoboCook electric pressure cooker comes with a stainless steel inner pot with 17 Indian presets and 1300 watt output for a faster cooking. Geek also has a smaller size of 6 liter in this, and if available, you can consider that in 6 liter. In the 3-liter segment, there are no great value recommendations. Go for the 6-liter ones instead, as the overall size of the 6-liter is only slightly bigger. Instant Pot Duo is the only good one, but it is higher priced than most 6-liter options as well. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 1.6 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.